Hi, I'm Isabelle. In this video, we'll be combining EFT tapping with I am affirmations on happiness and joy instead of the regular wording. Let's get started. Taking full responsibility for your own well-being. Tap where I tap and repeat after me. I am choosing happiness, and I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I am aligning with happiness, and I deeply and completely love, cherish, and accept myself. I am attracting more happiness into my life, and I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. I am allowing happiness. I am aligning with happy, positive people. I am attracting happy relationships. I am confident. I am optimistic. I am peaceful. I am filled with joy. I am aligned with joy. I am experiencing more joy in my life. I am healthy. I am positive. I am content. I am allowing fun. I am aligned with fun. I am choosing to have more fun. I am kind. I am caring. I am compassionate. I am allowed to thrive. I am allowing myself to thrive. I am choosing to thrive. I am worthy. I am supported. I am good enough. I am filled with love. I am allowing love. I am attracting loving relationships. I am loving. I am passionate. I am radiant. I am choosing pleasure. I am aligned with pleasure. I am experiencing more pleasure in my life. I am grateful. I am appreciative. I am deserving. I am aligned with the divine within me. I am allowing the divine within me to shine. I am experiencing the divine light within me. I am cherished. I am valued. I am admired. I'm clearing any limitations and beliefs that may be in the way of my happiness and joy. I'm clearing them at a cellular level. I'm clearing them all the way back through my past, including past lives. I am choosing happiness and joy in body, mind, emotions, and spirit. So be it. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Enjoy the rest of your day. Please subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed this video.